Hi everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today we are going to continue our lesson on the seasons and we are going to be using a very cool website. It's called PinUp and here you can see we have a corkboard and what we're going to be doing is we're going to add a sticky note or a note about each season. So far I've done spring, summer, and winter. And what you're going to do is you're going to add a title and then give me one sentence that maybe it's how you feel about that season or just some of your general thoughts about the season. So I'm going to go ahead and walk y'all through how to do this. It's very simple, very easy, but if you do have any questions, feel free to email me and contact me through my website. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go over here to this plus button. Once you click on that, another sticky note will pop up. I have liked color coding my sticky notes, but that is completely up to you. I kind of did them color wise based on the season. So since the other season I have left is fall, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it orange. So we're going to click on the little paintbrush and we're going to make it orange. Okay. And then I'm going to add a title on mine. You don't need a title, but it will be easier for me to be able to tell what you're talking about in your sentence. So if you click on the very top left of your sticky note, a add title will pop up and you will click on that. And then you'll simply just type in what you want it to say. Then we'll move down. We'll just click the down arrow. Oops. Okay. Click out of it and then click back on. That'll work. Okay. So then you're just going to describe that season. So when I think of fall, I think about the leaves falling off the trees. So during fall is when the leaves fall off of the trees. And that's it. And then we're going to be conscious of everyone else needing room to put theirs in. So we're going to make it a little smaller and then we will move it right next to ours. Okay. And then I would like everybody to put theirs in here. There is room. We have tons of room. We'll add room. And then during class tomorrow, we will go through and everybody will share their 4 sticky notes. Again, if y'all have any questions, message me on my blog. This is very easy. I will have the link provided with the assignment so that you can get this done very quickly. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. Bye.